Boys, here we go. Man, Noel's gonna be pissed that I'm fucking playing this song. I'm doing this real time just because, you know, we live in the era of AI and all that shit. Of course, I have my tea handy, but let's see. Don't want people thinking I fucking faked screenshots or something, you know, which I'll definitely post. One sec, I have to turn this thing. Data fucking thing takes forever, man. Data are being determined. Fuck. Makes me wonder if the VCS is better, but then it's a generic interface because Eric O uses it for fucking GM, so I don't know how good the VCS interface can really be, or VCV, whatever the fuck you call it. One sec, it's finishing up, I think. Let me look at some data here. Fuck, I'm gonna pour this. It's not a good idea. This might be better. Fuck these guys. Not for this video. Nah. Yeah. Well, I'll do that. No, wait. Alright. Here we go. Let's do the quick test. You can see the VIN there. I'll take that. The point is just to show you guys the codes. I don't know if any of you are going to care about this video, but I'll show you that too. That's some stupid weird error about the seat heater and shit. A lot of these are stored codes. I didn't realize how many of these fucking things this thing keeps. Really, I should clear all the codes, but fucking first I'm going to show you guys the engine codes. But I bet you'd stored a bunch from fucking when I pulled the seats to install the seat bearing and all that stuff. So I didn't realize it stores codes. I thought, you know, when it clears the cluster, if you pull the battery, which I had to do when I changed the alternator, that all these other codes would go away. Because I bet you the tel aids related to using the two-speaker mic as opposed to the two input mic as opposed to the older 4 input and stuff like that. Maybe my AC needs another sensor, I'm not sure, but I wanted to just show you guys the general codes here. So I don't know why it does this. I don't got any answer for that. And let's go further down. See, just the left and right insufficiency code, whatever. I got cats for that, right? And as you can see, I have the supercharger, so it's not like I'm just doing m112. Like, this is m112k. And then let's just see. I don't think there's anything else. ESP. Yeah, fault stored, right? I'm going pure Erigo style. Like, yeah, see, stored. None of these are current, right? Temperature. I mean, I can do this. You have to do this every time to fucking do that. I'm not doing that right now. CAN bus, blah, blah, battery control, stored. See? That's pretty fucking good, guys. I mean, I don't know how much more you guys want, but I think in terms of all this, like, stored, see? None of these are, well, multifunction sensor, I might need another one of those, but whatever. I mean, you guys got to be a little impressed here. Like, let's just, I'll post screenshots of this, but this is just real time to show you guys. This ain't fucking AI. You can pause it and, slide through or whatever. I'm pretty proud of myself. But this does bug me because I do have the heated seat and it works. And it just, I don't fucking know why it does that, but whatever. So here's the proof for you guys. Now I got to clear it, so I'm showing you guys. I'm not cheating, okay? Just again, that's all we got. But then I guess if I want to show you, I might as well show you the supercharger's not engaging, just so you guys can see. You don't see the code here, so obviously it's being picked up at start. I have no idea as to why at this point, it fails to engage, but might as well show you guys on that. It's wow. Fuck, this thing's so slow sometimes. Oh, that's why, because I was accidentally going into the module. I guess while I'm here, I'll just clear these out because you guys saw everything. Mostly all of it's stored except for the cat codes. Multifunction sensors are all obviously look into that. I don't know what the fuck that is. I actually forgot to figure out what sensor that was last time, so. Oh wait, before I do that, I'll just have to screen it. Well, fuck, if I have to do that now. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna make another, well, maybe I'll show you the charger cooler test some other time. This video is getting long, you guys are probably gonna get pissed. But I want to take screenshots of this, and it's gonna take time before I clear codes.